Hi vloggy vlog, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nicole, and I'm starting the vlog outside today because they're inside working, and I kind of didn't want to vlog in there to start the vlog. But I have a lot of interesting content happening. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it, but I have a lot of interesting things happening in this vlog. So a lot of house stuff that's happening. I don't really know what's gonna happen, but I know it's going to be interesting. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Right now, they are actually putting up the ceiling in the kitchen, so I'm about to swing it back in there and get that. But also, the recessed lighting is going up today, and the ceiling in the upstairs bathroom is going up. And in the last vlog, I showed you the ceiling in the downstairs bathroom is already up and painted and everything. So I'm gonna swing it back in there and show you guys what it's looking like right now. It went up yesterday vlog, so today's part of the vlog was supposed to just be a montage, but there's so much happening right now. I have more bad news. It's literally every day, so I decided to stop the whole montage clips things and fill you guys in with what's happening. First of all, the kitchen, amazing. We're sanding, and then eventually I will be able to paint. They said I should be able to paint, not today because I can't walk on the floors, but I will be able to paint soon. I'm so excited. I love the floors, love how everything is turning out in here. And these were rotted, you said? These are rotted and all need to be replaced. Oh god. But we do have wood to replace those. And so yeah, things are still happening. Things are still rolling. We're going to use some wood over here, he says, to replace those. So either way, everything will work out. I'm just so ready for everything to be done because it's literally bad news after bad news after bad news. But at the end of the day, it all works out in the end. Everything works out in the end. I'm so ready for them to replace this with one of these. But that will be happening soon. I'm not sure when. I'm not going to rush them because everything is on the roll right now. So obviously another day. You kind of saw me getting into painting in there, but now the appliances are being brought in. I kind of had to free up some space so that everything could be brought in, and then I'll get back to painting. But I'm gonna time lapse this really quickly. They just unwrapped it. I don't know why they just unwrapped it instead of just bringing it in here. I'm kind of confused and annoyed because I didn't see them do that. So we'll see how carefully they bring that in here. I'm gonna be checking for scratches like crazy.
I believe everything we have will last. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that.
They're leaving. I thought I was vlogging all of that. I don't know what I got because my storage set full, but I'm gonna get back to painting.
It took me some time, but now I'm moved on because I realize I've got myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your...
Okay, vloggy vlog. So I'm done with the first coat. This is kind of the gist of what it's going to look like. I do need to put another coat on here. As you can see, it's kind of patchy, but also it's still drying, so it's going to look patchy. But yeah, so I still need to do another coat. The ceiling is done. This is what I ended up doing yesterday. I still need to wipe these down, which will be last, because I might actually do another coat up there as well. But yes, I do really love the gray with the floors. I think in the end, it will look amazing. Hey, vloggy vlog. So it is a few days later, a lot later. And today, the carpet will be put in. This carpet looks literally disgusting, as you just saw, and I'm so excited to get new carpet. But also, I never showed you guys. I hung the blinds up, so it looks a lot better in here anyway. But yeah, so carpet will be going in. I'm so excited, but I think I'm going to maybe time lapse this. I'm not sure. It actually looks not horrible under there. I'm surprised. Really? How many homes do you go to? This is what the wood looked like under here. I'm so surprised that it looks good, but we're still getting it covered up. Hey, vloggy vlog. Right now, they are still working, but once they are done with one of the rooms, I'll have to move all of this stuff into another one of the rooms. Trying to figure out where this carpet should stop, and I think it should stop right here instead of here, but I'm not sure yet. Love the color. Almost time for me to move some things, and yeah, this actually went a lot faster than I thought it would. It told me 3 hours actually for all 3 rooms, and it's only been about an hour and maybe 15, and both rooms are almost done right now. So we just moved everything, and yes, they did help me. They're so nice. We just moved everything into these 2 bedrooms, and they are now working on the very last one, which is so exciting. This is so exciting. It looks so good. I love it. I wasn't quite sure about it, but I think I do love it. I wasn't quite sure about the colors, but I like it. 10 out of 10. You guys did a great job. Thank you so much. Looks amazing. Issue now. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay. But I came over here expecting an issue. Okay.
No, I was coming so you could see it was properly fixed now.
Yes. Hey guys, so it is another day, and this is actually the day I am wrapping up this vlog. I know it is so long. So yeah, the cabinets will be installed today. They are on their way to install them. There's nothing wrong with the floor or the wall or anything else anymore. So yeah, they will install them. This is just the only part I'm like nervous about, because there are some cabinets that go right here, and I'm like, do I want to, I don't know if I want to paint that now before they put the cabinets up, or just take my L and paint around the cabinets. But I think I'll just paint around the cabinets. But yeah, so this is what we're working with right now. There are gonna be cabinets here. All of this is done, so this is good to go. There are gonna be cabinets here, which is, honestly, I should just go ahead and, I think I'm going to go ahead and paint that before they put the cabinet up, because the cabinet's not even gonna touch the top of that. I just don't know why I didn't do that. Anyways, and then yeah, I just have this area right here, which I could just paint around the cabinets, which is so annoying, but I'm waiting for the contractors to finish so I can sand, or so they can sand this down, and then I can finish painting. They also need to put trim around here and all of that good stuff. So, and they also need to put drywall. Like the contractors have things to do. And so yeah, that's just kind of slowing down progress right now. I'm not even gonna lie. The contractors are moving a bit slower than I thought they would. And so that's where we are right now. But I can also go ahead and wipe down the lights and everything on this side. Just have this side completely done. Oh, and I can also do the ceiling right here. Okay, yeah, so just have this side, like this half completely done before they get here. And yeah, I'll definitely be vlogging and filming them actually put the cabinets and everything in on TikTok. So yeah, if you're not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. And yeah, let's just get started. Actually, I'm gonna do a quick before and after, or like after, like as much as I could do. I had to stop here because they have to stand that. I just refuse. So I'm thinking the cabinet people will come back to do the very last 2 cabinets, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But I also just want this sanded before I paint the rest of the ceiling over here, and I'm kind of just annoyed with that, honestly. So I'm just leaving it alone. But I also cleaned the floors and everything, so they will be able to just put everything in with a clean canvas, minus the last 2 cabinets here, which is so annoying, but it's just reality here. So now I'm just waiting on them to get here, and I will update you guys whenever they're here. So the cabinet people are here, they're about to get started, and so I think I'm going to time lapse this, maybe with some pop-ins. Not sure.
This one I bet you I know get tired.
This is what it's looking like so far. 3 cabinets are in, bottom ones, and I think I love it. So excited for all of this stuff to be done though, but oh my gosh, drawers! Literally, I'm so excited. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna look so good. They just left so I can talk a little bit louder, but yeah, this is what we have so far. I literally love it. I love the white. I think it looks good. But I was kind of hesitant about this cabinet because they definitely put this in upside down. It was opening the other way around, and I was like, why would it open like that? Anyways, so now they're gonna have to either fill this. I'm gonna see. They said they can like put something in here. I'm gonna see how they do that, and if not, Lowe's will be sending me a new cabinet because my OCD will not allow that to look like that. So yeah. Also, they have these little stoppers on here, which I'm happy about. I love, but like I bought some. Did not know that came with the cabinets, but look guys, it looks so good and so clean. So fresh. Yeah, they have one more cabinet that goes here, I'm pretty sure, and then like the top cabinet or something like that. Yeah, it's one more cabinet that goes here, and then the top skinny cabinet that the microwave will sit on, and then the oven will sit here. And then I think it's one more cabinet that goes here or something like that. No, I think the oven sits here, microwave sits here, the tiny cabinet sits here, and there's one cabinet here. This goes here, and then I think it's 3 more here or something like that. Either way, it's gonna look so good, period. I also have to paint that trim, which I already knew I would have to do, but I'm just waiting for the trim around the window right there and the other trim to come into the kitchen to paint all of it at one time. So I will definitely have to paint that, and it will look just like these cabinets. And it will
what's it going? All depends.
So I'm editing the vlog now, and I realized I never actually updated you guys. So they have the cabinets in here, but they're not done because the guys that were here the first time measured this wrong, and I kind of had a feeling they did. Because when I got my countertops measured, like the cabinet measurement and the countertop measurement didn't match. Yeah, this will have to carry over into yet another vlog, but that's okay because it's just giving me more footage, I guess. But yeah, that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video.